Hi everyone. Now I'm going to unbox my early Christmas gift, and I've been waiting for this parcel for very long, and hopefully I'll enjoy it for the next 2-3 years. Well, if you're asking what is this inside, yeah, it's a new handphone, and you know me, whoever that knows the brand that I support. Well, this is a new HTC. Let's open and have a look. I've pre-cut, but I've not opened up the things inside yet. Well, we have the invoice. And here you go. Well, I bought this in eTorrent. That has also a Lazada direct online shop in Lazada itself. But I found that buying direct from their website, it is much cheaper. It's sold in USD, so when you convert it to Sing dollar, it is slightly cheaper. And I ordered about 2 days ago, and Ninja Van sent it today. So it's really fast, no hassle, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going to open this box. Here you go. This is how it looks like. Well, what's so special about the HTC U20 5G? This is the first 5G phone from HTC. Well, it feels a bit heavy. And it's definitely, I believe it's not a small phone. So let's have a look. Whoa, wow, okay. Here it is. Just okay, what do you have here? We have the phone. Instructions, limited warranty with a pin for the SD card and the SIM. With the earpiece, I don't think it's a fantastic one, it's just probably a very basic one. It's connected by USB-C. And last but not least, we have the charger. This is a 2 flat pin charger. Well, you can actually use it in Singapore as long as you have the adapter, which is not difficult to find. Most of the hardware shop you'll be able to find. And the fast charging wire. So that's all we have. Okay, now let's take a look at the phone. Now the phone is quite big, to be honest. This is my U12, which I'm using it to record now, but this is the casing. So if you compare with U20, it is U20 is slightly wider, I think you can see, and U20 is definitely longer. But it does feel very good. Doesn't feel too big. Well, let me just open it up now for everyone to see. Hang on. How do I open it? Okay. Let's peel this. Alright, here you go. Now this is what I've been waiting for the past 2-3 months. The U20 5G. And look at this, wow. Look at the sheen. The green, the khaki green, which I guess suitable for the army boys. And you can see this is the 5G. And what's so special about this phone, this is the first time made in Taiwan phone, if you can see this. Okay, this is the first MIT phone and the first Taiwan 5G phone. It has lots of camera holes, lenses. I'll leave the spec for you to read up. The good thing is that it has a 256 GB internal memory. It has an expandable slot, 5000 milliamp hour battery, huge battery, 5000. It has a dual SIM, and it feels good. I mean, this is what I've been waiting for. It used to be a lot of gloss, the glass type of U12, U11, but yeah, finally we have this matte finish, similar to M7, M8 and M10. Yeah, it feels good. The phone feels nice. Just power it up and have a look. Cool. This is Android 10. It's run by a Snapdragon 765G that can power actually 5G and 4G as well. Main camera, you have the 48MP f1.8 26mm wide camera. You have the 8MP ultra wide camera as well, and in front you have you have the macro and you have the depth, and the selfie camera is a 32MP f2.0 wide. Okay, let's start. Well, I bought it from Taiwan, so it has to be in Chinese, so I'll do it in English. Let's go. Feels good so far. Da-da-da. Okay, I'm gonna set it up, and this is how it looks like. HTC U20 5G. If you are interested in this phone, you can find out from Lazada, eTorrent, online shop, or you can go to eTorrent.com, which is a Singapore company. You can get it, and I got it in 2 days. Fantastic. Thanks for watching.